What's going on, guys? My name is Wade with Tech Daily, and in this video we are checking out the OnePlus Nord N200 5G. I'm going to go over everything you need to know about this device in this video. We'll go ahead and jump right into it here and quickly go through what all comes inside the package first, and then we'll see what the OnePlus Nord N200 5G has to offer. So peeling off all that plastic wrap and sliding off the lid, the first thing we get is the N200 itself. It comes in just one color, this blue quantum finish, and we'll take a closer look at that in just a second. But digging a little deeper inside the package here, there are a few more things included. Inside the first little packet, you'll find an instructional booklet and a Nord themed card, which also has the SIM ejector tool attached to it and a diagram for inserting your SIM card. Beneath that, you also get an included charger and cable. This isn't the super crazy fast charger included with OnePlus's flagship phones. Instead, you get an 18-watt plug with a still very nice USB-A to USB-C cable. With all that stuff out of the way, here is the Nord N200 5G once again. And don't worry, that sticker on the back does come off clean and easy there. Physically, I think the N200 5G is actually a really good looking device from both the front and back. It's sort of mid-sized. It comes in at just shy of 6.5 inches. That's the screen size. And you can see that up front we do get a pretty decent screen to body ratio. There's relatively minimal bezels, that modern hole punch camera cutout in the corner that I know a lot of people prefer. There's still a bit of a bottom chin, but all in all, I think this is a solid balance of size and design. And in the hand, it's also going to be relatively comfortable for most people, I think. It's big enough to where you're getting plenty of screen real estate, but not so big where it's a stretch to reach all the edges and corners. Around back, that blue quantum finish I think looks particularly nice on this phone. It's got sort of a dark to light fade and a matte finish with just a subtle shine. It's an all plastic device though, which makes sense given its price point. There's no IP or water resistant rating either here, but overall, with that nice back cover, the polished sides, and a decent design, I think this phone still looks and feels pretty nice. Taking a look around, on the left side you have your volume buttons, and above that is the SIM and SD card tray. On the right side, you'll see the power button, which also doubles as the fingerprint sensor. Down below, the headphone jack is still there, alongside the USB-C port and single speaker setup, and around back, the triple lens AI camera setup, which I'll go more in depth with in just a second. Quickly jumping back to the speaker setup though, like I said, just the one downward firing speaker here, but actually it's quite a bit louder than I expected, which is good. So no real complaints so far, and here's an audio sample so you can get an idea of what it sounds like.